For the second part of my get ready, I'm going to show you guys how I take this from this to this. So the first thing I'm going to start with is just like combing out my hair, and honestly I just use like the Demnon brush. I washed my hair last night. If you guys want to like know like how I wash my hair and stuff, then go ahead and leave me a comment. And then I just go ahead and take my Tresemme Heat Tamer, protects against heat and damage. So I just take a little bit of this and like spray it, but mostly on my ends. Because my hair is naturally curly, I try not to like straighten it all the time, but sometimes it's just nice to like get away from, you know, my curls. And the straightener that I'll be using is this Ultra Chi, and it goes all the way up to like 400. Honestly, I got it a couple of years ago, but I'm sure like they have really nice straighteners at Ulta. Then I just like to part my hair in 4. And honestly, for my straight, I don't like to like do pin straight. I kind of like it to still have a little bit of volume. And then I'll keep it straight for about a week or 2. With, you know, the second week I can like put up in a ponytail and stuff. Yeah, and then I just like to take my Demnon brush again. And honestly, I'm just gonna make this disclaimer right now. I am nowhere, you know, a hair specialist or know anything about hair, so don't come for me telling me that, you know, how I'm doing it is wrong. It's just this works for my hair. And I curl my hair, which I'm still working on a tutorial, but I curl my hair 90% of the time. But just once every other month, I just like to straighten it for a little bit. You know, sometimes it's easier to maintain straight hair than it is curly hair, at least for me. My maracuja oil, when I say a little bit, I use maybe like 1-2 drops. And I just like to focus this mainly on my ends. And then I just take like a little bit, probably like this much. Ta-da! That's pretty much it. So I'm going to do that for the rest of my hair. But this is pretty much, I mean, all that it do. There's really nothing to it. I personally like getting my hair done more than I like doing my own hair. So, yeah, but it was just one of those. Today's Sunday, and I was like, might as well just go ahead, you know, do my hair. I washed it last night, and I never like to like wash it and straighten it the same day just because that's a lot of work for me. So I washed it last night, let it dry, and then I was like, might as well straighten it. Let's just look at this for a minute. I don't know where I made that part. That's crazy. But I feel like the front right here is a little bit greasy, but might make that work. I do have some dry shampoo that I can put on it. And I color my hair a lot. I'm honestly about to redo it. I don't know if you guys seen it, but a few months ago I had dyed it red. And now the red's like starting to fade, but I'm definitely going to be redoing it because I fell in love with that. Let me know, do you guys color your hair? I have really dry hair, and I don't know. I try to like put a mask and stuff on it, but let's be honest, I'm just not a hair person. Half of the time if my hair is not curly, it's in a bun. That's my favorite. If it's not in a bun, I have a hat or a turban on. And that's pretty much it for like this whole side. Like I said, after I do my whole hair, I'm gonna end up parting it because I don't like a middle part. So I'm gonna end up parting it to the side. and I'm just going to finish the rest of my, like, my other side of my hair. So that's pretty much like the finished product. So then what I just like to do is, since I straightened it with the part in the middle, I just like to take a big chunk from the middle, you know, to just blend out all the hairs. And I just want to take the flat iron and run it. I'm like a side part type of person, whether it's straight hair, whether it's curly hair. I just like a side part. I don't know if the middle part thing is for me. And don't mind all my gray hairs. I'm gonna get my hair colored, so let's see. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Alright, so then what I like to do just is like flip my hair back and then kind of just let it fall. Nothing to it. This is not rocket science, guys. At least not for me. I don't want to be having nothing sticking out. And that's it for my hair tutorial. As you guys can see, I kind of just, you know, lightly flat ironed it. And that's it for my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscription if you haven't already. Until next time.